What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle. Yes, is the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce and lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hustle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from those YouTube channels and the Twitch. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right. Got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. Hey, what to do, my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero, you're ready to be a family hero. Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen, because you already know when I drop these videos and y'all get the notification, it's going to be some information that's going to help you win. And in today's video, I'm helping out all my small startup business owners out there. I know a lot of people out there looking to start their entrepreneurship journey, need funds, need getting funds when it comes to new businesses. Now, a lot of people don't know places where to go, how to get funded, how to structure their business the right way to get funded. So I'm gonna help y'all out with that. So let's get to these gems that's gonna help y'all win. All right. So when it comes to new businesses and getting funded, you gotta understand this. The first thing is first. Don't go jumping off the overboard thinking that you got a good idea, so you're gonna start an LLC and get your EIN number. No, don't be that person, because a lot of people who do that, they start to see how much you got to start spending to actually start a business to get things registered and things like that, and they don't have them funds yet, so they put that LLC on the back burner. Don't be that person. Whatever LLC that you want to start, whatever business that you want to start, already have clientele, already have something generating, because you can take that revenue and start investing into your business, and it won't have to worry about taking money out of your pocket that you probably don't have to start building this business. So already have some type of traction, already have some type of product or service that you're offering and have a clientele for when you start your LLC and your EIN number. Now, when you start your LLC EIN number, you guys need to make sure that you're not using any of your personal addresses, phone numbers, or any of those things like that. So you need to get a virtual address. You need to get a new number. Never use your cell phone number. Get a new number. Get a business email, not a Yahoo or Google, but a John Smith at cleaningservices.com. And you need to get your business registered with the in the public records through the Better Business Bureau. When you do those things, you're good to go. You got a structured business just like that. Now, once you structure your business the right way, you need to now get your Dun and Bradstreet. Now, your Dun and Bradstreet will allow you to track all of your business credit scores and profiles, just like Experian will allow you to track your personal credit scores and profiles. So once you get your Dun and Bradstreet, you'll now be able to see all of your business credit scores. Now that you're able to see that, you need to get your first business trade line. It's going to be the NAV Business Credit Builder trade line. Once you get that, you need to go to creditstrong.com and go to the business trade lines. Once you get those business trade lines, it's going to report to every single credit. It's different levels too. It's different amounts that they have. So you pick and decide how much you want to. I think it's like or it might be like 1,000 or 1,100 a month for this trade line. It's like a $10,000 trade line, something like that. Yeah, $10,000 trade line or something like that. But it will report to all of the business credit bureaus except for your pay dex score. So creditstrong.com will build all of your business trade lines or credit profiles except for your paydex. How do you build your paydex score? Net 30s. Net 30s are basically equipment accounts that you can finance and have 30 days to pay them off. So the more you get in finance, and the more it'll go towards your pay deck score. So now you building your pay decks and your pay net scores. Now you need to get secure credit cards and secure loans on your business account, because these will allow you to demonstrate your credit worthiness, how you can manage money. So getting how, and everybody finances is different. So you might get $1,000 secured credit card. Getting that secured credit card and managing the balance will help you improve your credit worthiness on the business side and start getting credit cards. So you can get one or two business secured credit cards, pay it for a couple months, and then you can get you a unsecured business credit card, depending on which bank that you apply to. That will allow you to start getting unsecured loans, smaller loans. You don't want to try to go for the juggler. And a lot of people don't understand that. They be throwing out this $50,000, $100,000 new small startup business loans here and there, this bank, this bank. Listen, most banks, if you have a new business, will not give you a $50,000 loan. They will give you $25,000. But if you do want $50,000, you will have to provide more documentations to be able to get approved for that $50,000 loan. So less documents for new small startup businesses, lesser amounts, $25,000. But 50,000 and up, you're gonna need more documentations. And a lot of people don't understand the difference between a revenue-based loan and a no documentation loan. A no documentation loan is basically going off your credit, business credit scores. A revenue based loan is doesn't care about your credit. They're going off how much you're making on paper. So those two different things play a major part when it comes to business funding because a lot of people don't know that. And a lot of people try to go toward for the um no documentation loans that's going to use their business credit or their personal credit, and it's not where it needs to be. When they can just go to these revenue based loans and get the funding and the loans that they need with just the documentations and what it says on paper. So that's how you properly structure your new business to be in a position to start getting funded. Now, where do you go to get this funding? Now, for new businesses out there, small entrepreneurs, 1099 contractors, self-employed, you guys, you can go to Giggle Finance, and the link will be in the description. It might not because it's a new channel, but Giggle Finance. Giggle Finance will give new small startup businesses up to $10,000. $10,000 for self-employed, 1099 contractors. If you cut grass, you cut hair, you do hair, you do any of these things, they'll give you $10,000 revenue base. And once you pay that off, you then qualify for a $20,000 loan from Giggle Finance. So for all my people out there looking to get new small startup businesses, had that has a new small startup business and looking to get funding, Giggle Finance will help you. Matter of fact, let's check them out right now. All right, so we got Giggle Finance. All right, so they say they fund up to 15, but you'll have a better chance getting the 10, but cool beans, 15. So Giggle Finance, fast and friendly, apply and get funded up to $15,000. Product partnerships about home. Let me scroll down. So simple application process, assets funds, funded up to $20,000. Depending on your business history and proven revenue, we can provide up to $20,000 in funding. We've got you covered and help you grow and scale your business. No credit requirements. This revenue-based funding, so we don't look at your credit score. Approval is based solely on your business income and revenue streams. Like I told you guys, no hidden fees. So how it works, so apply, complete your simple application, connect the bank, securely verify your bank account, approved, funded. All right, so Giggle Finance is helping out new business owners, 1099 contractors. They got credit, business credit. They got prepayment discounts. So Giggle reports to Experian and TransUnion to help you grow your business. So they got a lot of different programs. All right, they helping businesses. All right, so what are the requirements? To qualify, your business needs to be operational for at least 3 months, and you'll need to contact your business bank account. We'll also require at least 3 months or 1099 or business income. All right, so easy peasy Peter Buttercups to get approved with them. All right, so new businesses, make sure you go check out Giggle Finance. You just started, get your business structured, and go get the bag. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there's tired of being broke because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one limited gyms are $1,000, but for limited time only, I'm doing it for 600. Yeah, 600 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know you payment ready, and we can go from there. Make sure y'all booking y'all seats on the webinars, $250 Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour and personal limited gyms, $3,500. Make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the month-long mentorship, $1,000. Make sure y'all check it out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato app. Still looking for people for support a production company. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the notification bell on my YouTube channels, my Twitches, IGs, TikToks, Snapchats. Make sure y'all checking out the crypto world because it's changing people's lives. And make sure y'all get in and y'all fit in with these load ups. All right, 120 and up. Cash App, Bitcoin payments, and the screenshots when y'all ready. And with that being said, man, it's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson video or live. Peace.